Okay, na na. Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome again to our channel. So today mga kabuchi, we will talk about our very simple yet very beautiful. Simplicity is beauty mga kabuchi. So this is really a very beautiful plant mga kabuchi. So before we purchase this one mga kabuchi, we have no idea mga kabuchi that this is a rubber tree mga kabuchi, a variety of a rubber tree. So before, I used to convince my sister that there are beautiful varieties of rubber tree mga kabuchi, and I am very interested in buying, but she doesn't like rubber tree mga kabuchi because it's a tree mga kabuchi, and we are already under the canopy of these trees, mga kabuchi. Oh, look at that, mga kabuchi. Grabe yun kayo ang kahoy sa among atubangan. So, our front yard is under the canopy of those trees, mga kabuchi. So, dindot atong mga kuano na katong friends nga rubber tree. Then, ato sila katong mga variegated, very beautiful nga rubber trees. So, that is why mga kabuchi, I supposed to buy lang, but I did not buy because my sister doesn't want to have an additional tree in our garden. But then mga kabuchi, when we browse the mansions of LeBron James in YouTube mga kabuchi, we noticed that all houses of LeBron James mga kabuchi and different places have one plant in common mga kabuchi. And this is the plant mga kabuchi, the fiddle tree bambeno. So mga kabuchi, we are watching man. I am watching it together with my sister, so I convinced her that we should buy one and put it inside the house mga kabuchi. So that is the story of this fiddle tree bambino mga kabuchi. Even up to now mga kabuchi, so you will also notice if you kanang check YouTube, and then even kanang mga movies or mga interviews, you can always see this plant mga kabuchi, this beautiful plant yun. And then when it came home mga kabuchi, it looks so simple. But then, if you are going to put it in a space, mga kabuchi, it will add beauty. This plant is really beautiful. It will add beauty to your home, mga kabuchi. So, after buying this one, mga kabuchi, we put it inside our house. But then, it's kuan magud mga kabuchi. It's kanang sad ba? The plant looks sad and nawagtang na iyahang dirty ang iyang leaves. So, we put it outside mga kabuchi, and it seems that the plant likes under the canopy mga kabuchi. So, even gamay ra ang sunlight, the plant looks okay mga kabuchi. So, I think wala ni siya ang permanent place niya sa among home mga kabuchi. So, its permanent space is already at the frontliner dyan siya mga kabuchi sa among garden. So, atong hinahinayag, palayo lang mga kabuchi. O, see? So, dinha na ang iyang place on earth mga kabuchi. Together with some of our philodendrons mga kabuchi. So, every time we will see houses mga kabuchi and we see this plant mga kabuchi, I feel happy, and I think this makes it one of my good for purchase mga kabutchi. So very beautiful gid siya mga kabutchi, bisan simple ra iyahang beauty, all green ra siya, but very beautiful gid siya nga plant because the leaves mga kabutchi, oh, look at that. Oh. Kani siya nga medyo wavy unya unsa man siya? Ani nga texture ba? Kulot-kulot. So that makes it beautiful mga kabutchi. Okay, so this is our vlog for week number 12 of year 2025 mga kabutchi. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.